If you're arriving in Terminal 1 to get to the ground transportation, you look for the ground transport and a baggage claim area. In Terminal 1, they have flyaway, LA exit, LAX terminal connector, budget parking, city buses, share van rides, passenger pickup, rental cars, hotels and shuttles. In Terminal 1, you have all these options. You have flyaway bus. If you keep going further down towards Terminal 2, they'll have those green posts. That means it's for Uber. But over here, you also have the green one here. The green one is for LA Exit, where it will pick you up on a bus if you want to ride the bus. Now, the nice thing about Terminal 1 is you can bypass waiting for the bus. Sometimes the bus takes longer. You can actually just walk it from the exits, make a left, you cross the street, and that's where the Uber pickup and ride is. Let's go and do that now. That's where I exited, down that way, past the purple. Flip it around. Here I am at the stop sign, and that's where it is. In that parking lot is all the Uber and Lyft pickup, the ride share. Let's go on across it. For someone with luggages, you're gonna have to do a little bit of work because you have to push your stuff. This is if you are near the terminals, you have to load it inside the bus, and it gets pretty crowded in those buses. That's where Terminal 1 is. So across the street here, turning around. This is where you're gonna be at LA Exit. And this is where the Uber and Lyft parking lot is. And then you just head over there. That's where a lot of the buses are dropping off passengers. So these are the buses that pick you up by the terminals, and then they drop you off here. So as soon as you get here, you're gonna have taxis. You're gonna have designated numbers. You have 21, 20, 22, 21, 23, 22. So depending on your app directions, this is where you'll meet your driver. Or if you're just planning to take a random taxi with United or Yellow Cab, they have a line that you can just go in there and just take a cab directly. They have a dedicated taxi line. For Ubers, you're just gonna bypass a little bit of the taxi and you cross over into those designated waiting areas. As you can see, my Uber is telling me to go to 21A. It's about 3 minutes walk. This is the start of the taxi. You cross over here for Ubers or Lyfts. You figure out the directions here. It says Lyft on that side, Uber on this side. Mine is 21A. I gotta go right there, just across the street from this.